guys, si Mama nag-story na. Kita mo dyan.
Once upon a time, there lived a small rabbit named Mom in the forest. One day, a cruel hunter came to the forest and started to look for animals. The hunter saw a burrow beside a big tree in which Mom usually put these signs in the burrow and drew Mom from inside the burrow. Mom was scared, but she was brave. She asked the hunter to set her free. The hunter laughed at Mom, since she said you were small and cannot do any harm to the heavy. The hunter put Mom inside his bag along with his water. After an hour, the hunter felt thirsty. He said, "Oh, it's too hot. Let me drink some water," Mom heard the hunter and quickly opened his water bottle cup. Soon the bag was wet and all the water spilled out. The hunter said, "Oh no, all my water has gone. What will I drink now?" And he started to empty bag. As soon as he pulled Mom out of the bag, she jumped and ran as fast as she can. The hunter was left and thirsty and empty. Moral of the story: never judge anyone by sight.
Tapos na, oh. Si Mama nag-story yan.